Hello, in this tutorial you're going to learn about the About page and how to use it. So to begin, you need to remove the Classwork page, which I already made a tutorial on, which has more details on it. If you click Remove Classwork page, it will disappear, and you'll see the Topics menu, which I'll also link the tutorial to. And if you go into the settings gear here, you'll see that some of the details that were previously in class details have been moved. I'll show you where they are later. If you scroll to the very bottom, you'll see this Add Class Materials button, which usually is in the Classwork page. If you click it, it'll allow you to add files from both your computer, Google Drive, as well as videos from YouTube and links to any website or file, I guess. So let me just write a title. And then let me add a website. And I can post that. Of course, I can add multiple items, but for the sake of time, I'm not. And let me just show you what it looks like now. You'll see this little arrow here. Once you click it, the About page will appear. And the material that I just made is visible. And it's on the left-hand side. And there's no text here yet. I'll show you how you can add some descriptions. The class description is here. Let me just write something. It's just a random example I thought of. Maybe room, I don't know, 169. If you scroll down, then you'll see the materials there again. Oh, one more thing. The room number is there. Okay. If you add another class material, you can write, I don't know, and put another website, post. Oh, whoops! You gotta save. You gotta press save every time you change something. You'll see in the About page now that it's in rows of 2. Every time you add materials, they'll be in rows of 2. If you're really perfectionist about how your classroom looks, then you'll want to know that. This is useful because any important documents for your class you might want to put here, and any important resources like maybe the textbook usernames and passwords you might want to keep here. Class in the beginning of the year, maybe the teacher gives out documents for that parents have to sign, like waivers and conditions and rules. You might want to put those here. And yeah, it's pretty simple. And if you remove the Classwork page, however, actually one more thing. If you go into settings again, you are able to, you're able to edit, meaning you can add more things and you can add a title. Let me X out of class settings. If you remove, if you add the Classwork page back, the About page will disappear, meaning that anything you put there will be inaccessible. However, once you remove the Classwork page again, they will be available again. Some of the things stay, like that, the room number and the description. And one thing I forgot to show you is that once those details up there disappear, they're still here because I wasn't there. See, now they're gone because I removed the Classwork page. If I go into Classes and I click the 3 dots next to my classroom, and then I click Edit, you'll see that those details are now over here, and they work just the same as before. And that's really it. Thanks for watching.